Durable stainless steel construction. Sold as a set of 6 and includes lids. Easy to clean, hand wash recommended. 2.5 inches by 1.675 inches and a 2.5-ounce capacity. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent for meal prep. I've purchased 3 sets of cups in 3 years without any problems. I shared the first set with some friends, but I'm doing more meal prep now and wanted some extra cups. Even though I regularly toss a cup filled with nuts and other, dry, snacks into my lunch bag and have never had the lid come off, I wouldn't risk it with anything messy. Dips and sauces go into my glass meal prep containers, where they fit perfectly and are protected from accidents. No rust, breakage, or other issues, but I do hand wash them. Highly recommended for anyone who meal preps or packs their lunch.